Listen up, people. Becoming a millionaire isn't some far-off fantasy. It's a real achievable goal for anyone willing to put in the work. Whether you're flipping burgers, coding apps, or anything in between, you've got what it takes. It's not about where you start, it's about where you're headed and how bad you want it. Becoming a millionaire is a journey, not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about making smart moves day after day, year after year. Patience, persistence, and hustle are key. We're diving into practical tips and real strategies to turn your dreams into reality. Are you ready to join the Millionaire Club? Let's go. First things first, if you want to be a millionaire, you've got to start thinking like one. This isn't some woo-woo law of attraction nonsense. Millionaires see money as a tool, a resource that's abundantly available if you know how to attract it. They don't say, I can't afford that. They ask, how can I afford that? Millionaires have a growth mindset. They embrace challenges and see failures as lessons. Surround yourself with positive, ambitious people. Read books about success and wealth creation. Listen to inspiring podcasts. Start believing in yourself. If you don't believe you can become a millionaire, why would anyone else? All right, let's get down to brass tacks. Building wealth isn't just about making money, it's about making smart decisions with the money you have. You've got the mindset, now let's talk strategy. A solid plan is essential for long-term financial success. Building wealth requires discipline and smart choices. It's not just about earning, but also about managing and growing your money. Save aggressively. Aim to save at least 20% of your income. The more you save, the more you can invest. Live below your means and cut out unnecessary expenses. This frees up more money for savings and investments. Invest wisely. Learn about stocks, bonds, real estate, and diversify your portfolio. Diversification reduces risk and increases potential returns. Start early. Time is your biggest ally when it comes to compound interest. The earlier you start, the more your money can grow. Create multiple income streams, start a side hustle, invest in rental properties, or create digital products. Multiple streams provide financial security. Educate yourself constantly. Stay updated on market trends, tax laws, and new investment opportunities. Knowledge keeps you ahead. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to money. The more you learn, the better equipped you are to make informed decisions. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make, and the faster you'll reach your millionaire goals. Stay focused, stay informed, and stay disciplined. Section 4. Hustle and flow, creating multiple income streams. In today's fast-paced world, relying on a single source of income is no longer enough. If you want to hit that million-dollar mark, you can't just rely on one paycheck. Diversifying your income streams is key to financial stability and growth. Leverage your skills. What are you good at? There's your first side hustle. Whether it's graphic design, writing, or even tutoring, there's always a market for your expertise. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and TaskRabbit make it easy to start monetizing your talents. These platforms connect you with clients who need your skills, allowing you to earn extra income on your own terms. Look for passive income opportunities like rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or digital products. These investments can generate income with minimal effort once set up. The digital age has opened up a whole new world of income opportunities. From e-commerce to online courses, the possibilities are endless. Start a YouTube channel, launch a podcast, or build a following on social media. These platforms not only offer creative outlets but also potential revenue streams through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Remember, creating multiple income streams isn't about working yourself to death, it's about working smart. Efficiently managing your time and resources is crucial. Each new income stream you add is like turning on another faucet of wealth. The more faucets you have, the more financial security and freedom you can achieve. Section 5. Real-life moneymakers stories that inspire. These are the stories that show the power of determination and smart financial strategies. Let's get real. Does this stuff actually work? Yes, it does. And it works in ways that can transform lives. Take Sarah, a school teacher who started a blog sharing budgeting tips. She began with just a simple idea and a passion for helping others manage their finances. Now, it generates over $1 million annually. Her blog has become a trusted resource for thousands of readers. Or Mike, a plumber who bought rental properties. He saw an opportunity in real estate and decided to take a chance. Today, he owns 50 properties generating over $2 million in annual revenue. His investments have paid off tremendously. Then there's Lisa, a graphic designer who launched her own design agency and created a course teaching others. She turned her creative skills into a thriving business. She hit the $1 million net worth mark by age 35. Her story is a testament to the power of entrepreneurship. These are ordinary folks who use the strategies we've been talking about to build serious wealth. They started with small steps and grew their fortunes over time. They proved that with the right mindset, strategies, and a whole lot of hustle, anyone can join the Millionaire Club. It's about persistence and smart choices. If they can do it, why not you? The path to financial success is open to everyone willing to put in the effort. Regular people decided to think differently, work smart, and persistently pursue their financial goals. They didn't let obstacles stop them. You can do it too. Start today, take action, and watch your financial dreams become reality. Section 6, your turn. The millionaire journey starts now. We've talked mindset, strategy, multiple income streams, and real-life success stories. Now it's time for the most important part, action. Your millionaire journey starts right here, right now. Make a rock-solid commitment to your financial future. Start with one thing. Maybe it's setting up a high-yield savings account or brainstorming side hustle ideas. Focus on progress, not perfection. Celebrate every win, no matter how small. Becoming a millionaire is not about the money. It's about the person you become in the process. Develop discipline, creativity, resilience, and other qualities that will serve you in every area of life. Now get out there and make it happen. Your millionaire future is waiting.